Ever wondered how to attract hummingbirds to your garden? Well, you're in the right place. Today, we'll delve into the enchanting world of hummingbirds and the vital role flowers play in inviting these delightful creatures into your garden. Let's dive into the step-by-step guide on how to attract hummingbirds using flowers. Firstly, the selection of flowers plays a crucial role in attracting hummingbirds. Hummingbirds are particularly drawn to bright-colored, tubular-shaped flowers. Think crimson bee balms, towering foxgloves, and vibrant lupines. They're not just about the aesthetics, though. These flowers are nectar-rich, making them a hummingbird's delight. Additionally, it's beneficial to have a variety of flowers that bloom at different times. This ensures a steady supply of nectar throughout the seasons. Remember, the brighter and more diverse, the better. Now that you've got the right flowers, let's talk about how to arrange them. Creating a hummingbird-friendly environment involves more than just randomly scattering flowers. Group the same types of flowers together. This not only creates a visually appealing garden, but it also allows the hummingbirds to feed more efficiently. And remember, keep taller flowers at the back. This ensures that our little winged friends can easily see and access all the flowers. With this arrangement, you'll create a hummingbird haven in no time. Apart from flowers, there are a few other things that can help attract hummingbirds. Consider adding bird feeders filled with sweet nectar, a surefire way to catch their attention. Bird baths with moving water will also beckon these tiny birds, as they are fond of a quick splash. Don't forget wind chimes. Their gentle motion is irresistible to hummingbirds. Providing branches or other perch spots gives these birds a place to rest. Incorporating these elements will make your garden a hummingbird paradise. So there you have it, a simple guide to attracting hummingbirds to your garden using flowers. We've covered choosing the right flowers, arranging them effectively, and other handy tips. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more gardening tips and tricks. Happy gardening!